The SL6V Multiple Sleeve Cleaner is designed to wash all types of inks with eco-friendly cleaning liquids and up to 6 sleeves at a time. The unique technology combines the use of cleaning liquid, brushes, high-pressure water and compressed air, which ensures a gentle and efficient 3-step cleaning process. All sleeve cleaners from FlexiWash are adjustable, which makes it possible to wash sleeves of various lengths. However, only one size per wash. The sleeves are safely locked in place with the special rubber cones. The rubber cones ensures that liquid does not enter the inside of the sleeves. The eco-friendly cleaning liquids from FlexiWash are specially developed to efficiently remove the different types of inks from the sleeves in only a few minutes. The entire process is fully automatic. Your operator loads the sleeves into the machine and presses the start button. Key benefits: fully automatic sleeve washer, extremely gentle cleaning process for all types of ink, minimal maintenance, the unit have a long lifetime, environmentally friendly cleaning, clean multiple sleeves.